All right, now that we've identified a goal for both of our examples here, we are going to go on and identify some variables. So if we look at this food truck problem, this word problem, this first one, it has two variables, right? We have the cheese pizzas that we're comparing, and we also have the pepperoni pizzas we're comparing. We also have the profit we're going to deal with, but that's not a variable, okay? That's just determined by how much we sell, okay? So the two variables that we're working with are cheese pizzas. Oops, misspelled cheese. Whoops. So cheese pizzas. And we also have pepperoni pizzas. Okay. Once you identify what the variables are, you need to give them something that you can use to identify them if you had them in some sort of an equation. So I'm going to use C to go with cheese pizzas because C stands for cheese. And for pepperoni pizzas, guess what I'm going to use? I'm going to use a P to identify when I'm talking about the pepperoni pizzas, okay? That way, if I need to write an equation, I can use C and P to know that I'm talking about cheese pizzas and pepperoni pizzas, okay? For the second example, I'm going to do a similar thing. For this one, we're comparing Supreme pizzas and Meat Lovers pizzas. So those are my two variables, Supreme. For Supreme, I'll use an S to identify it. And then for the Meat Lovers pizzas, I'm going to use an M to identify it. That way I can identify both of these if I ever need to write any sort of equation with either of them. Those are my two variables.